Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi network while other devices can fixed. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network Adapter. Check Wi-Fi, click Next. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Ipconfig /release. Type Ipconfig /renew. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netshare SAPS, in space, IP space, reset. Type netshare space, winsock space, reset. Exit and restart system. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapters, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand network adapts, right-click Wi-Fi adapter, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Actions, click Scan for hardware changes. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.